He was my favorite player on the Braves. I love him. Jack Clark, Danny Darwin. It's the laziest looking pitcher I ever met in my life. Look at him. He's just like, I'm just going to throw me about a 72 mile per hour ball. Grow my mustache a little bit bigger. Nike. Bobby Thigpen. John Orud. Roberto Alomar. Good old creepy Dennis Eckersley again. Giving it a one-eyer. Yeah. Jack Clark. Tell ya. Had some interesting styles back in the 90s. Juan Gonzalez, Hensley Mullins, Kevin Mass Power, Terry Schumpert. Why don't you baby Schumpeter? Will Clark, Wade Taylor, Milt Kyler, Hensley Mullins, Rene Gonzalez. And that card is jacked to the limits. I think it's not a really good one because another Tony Gwynn. Another Otis Nixon. Bob Ojeda. Cecil Fielder. That's a good one. Robin Yount. Fred McGriff. Oh, most of that pack was good. Devon White, Kirk Gibson. That's a horrible picture. Looks like he's doing some kind of weird dance. Get up on you. Mel Rojas, Terry Pendleton. I think that's the number 2 of that. Dave Smith, Scott Sanderson, Lance Dixon.